Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arifa Samar and I am a first year student in the CSIT department at NED University of Engineering and Technology, and I can proudly say that I am a part of the ACT AI program. So let me talk a bit about my journey. The registration process was really smooth. For selection, they gave us a basic AI quiz and admission was based on how we did on that. Overall, the course experience was great. Everything was well organized, classes ran on time, and exams and assignments were all managed properly. Let me give you guys a look of how well managed their portal is. We were provided with the access of class slides and recordings for each week. If I talk about the course content and evaluation, the course covered major AI tools across different areas, both free and paid, and we got hands-on workshop on how to actually use them. After every class, they gave us assignments which really helped us practice. There was also a quiz every week, and the project component was really well structured. We had two exams, a midterm and a final, and both were handled well. So at the end, we were told to make a final project. So for my final project, I built on everything I learned in this program. So the idea came from a problem a lot of us deal with regularly. When we visit the doctor, their handwriting on prescription is often impossible to read. So I built RxClear, a prescription decoder made especially for elderly people who struggle to read what their doctor has written. So let me give you guys a look of RxClear. This is the web app which I made as my final project. So what you have to do is you simply have to add the picture of the prescription and send it to the tool. Using AI, the tool will give you back a clear, readable transcript which tells which medicines are listed and even flags if anything is unclear. And it also saves your prescription history. You can also have a look. So here's the history detail. Let's also have a look of how this app actually works. So let me upload a prescription. So here's the prescription and you can see the doctor's writing is clearly not readable. So let's decode the prescription. Let the app do its work. And here's the final results. It tells us each and every medicine in a very clear writing and the daily schedule as well. So this is how my app works. And as for building it, ACT AI helped me at every step. I use the UI UX approach they taught us, a database for storing the app's data, and tools like Cursor, Gemini, Claude, Anti-Gravity for development and brainstorming. Let me also show you guys. This is Firebase, which I used for the database. Obviously, I cannot show you all the details, but here is my usage. I used it and it helped me a lot. I used for UI UX, Google Stitch was used basically. And here is the screen which I made, iterate, and got the final version. So yeah. Every single tool and best practice I used came from what I learned in this program. Honestly, I don't think I could have built something this functional in just 2 months without ACT AI. So at the end of it all, I just want to say I'm really grateful to AI SkillBridge for taking this step, for giving students like me access to modern quality education completely free of cost. Once again, thank you so much AI SkillBridge for taking steps for such initiative and Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be a part of it. Thank you.